Right after the induction of Prabhat Chandra Taro into CM's cabinet as an executive member for Soil Conservation Department, he started visiting various offices of soil conservation. Likewise, on 5th of August, he visited the Office of Soil Conservation under Kohora Range. Prabhat Chandra Taro EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council made his initial visit from Silonijan Range, followed by Daithor Range and Kohora Range. On 5th of August, when our correspondent questioned him about the works and progress in his department, he replied, "It is not possible to complete everything in short period, but would ensure that all the work would be completed within the next 5 years."
Dynamic energy badida mate karbi hero mune doctor tulira bangha alangli non cabinet along mate ni fan executive member sina hok kollo so na hok panil phana pia department an ni jumri dan claim nai ke dola ilitum mane angka ke thiwa long ri thiwa 10,434 square kilometer above tu plus iboyet paklar perji ko bangke ilitum pan lason afan provision abilang wang an setami kidam tang frang executive hai tum sami member tum sami alang sami borilo.
Also, when our correspondent asked about the postponement for the construction of Kajirong Hangpi Guest House, Kajirong Hangpi Memorial Gate, an extension of Kajirong Hangpi Children Park to EM Taro, he informed that he is not familiar with this project, and so far there is no any order or notice issued from the Soil Conservation Department regarding the project. Later, he expressed his gratitude for bringing this issue to his knowledge.
Labang a department ko pipen ma kolam challo labang jong si dak department pen kolam bang ke nilichin neder lo nili panang kante akapre department pen si la so bang an along ege som kulote ha so department pancha juna koppo daga bang kote la son
zadim ke dak kohora long mala
kohora pustami department kapre kapre to pen ke claim neng hang ka body neng hang to ta hai mi.
When asked about the encroachment from Golaghat district, he informed that if the fact of encroachment turns out to be true, then eviction drive would be carried irrespective of any community.
Bangke ilitum kunane department alung le pusitami kachi rai tahailo mimi halaso kachi rai think when allocation duma be malata chini nai jongsi soil conservation alung le long ko pine encroacher to illegal ladak allotment ki dua long le kunane encroach kulte lage dorkar kulte eviction na kokko.
RJ Samrong Powers report from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live.